Maximus Analysis here for August 8th, 2016, and we had basically no movement today at all. So again, continuing to have the specific levels that we're talking about, again, 2051, 2041, these are weekly lows, again, very obvious levels that they're going to come and try to take out the 2134. Do not get long here, period. Simple, simple, simple. Again, risk reward, where's your target, where's your stop? Don't say my stop is right underneath here, because that's an easy stop. Your stop needs to be under the 1981 or let it be. Looking at the NQ, again, another just bland day. This is the daily, not the weekly. So just so that you know that it's real, I just want to double check. Yeah, that's the daily. So the daily is just nothing. So we'll just keep it at that. YM, again, holding these levels that we see on the weekly, but again, not where I want to, again, you put your stop underneath 18,000 maybe. I would want a little bit more pullback than that. Looking at crude, they had a nice dollar up day, so they're holding inverse head and shoulders. Again, the line of sand for me, for the bulls, is the 3809 area. Gold also is chopping sideways. Again, I did put out a tweet last Tuesday to say, and I repeated it actually on Thursday, roll your stops if you took the long, because it's starting to get a little choppy. So let's look at the daily time frame. And you can see that they came, again, they could come pull back to this area here, lines up with the 1287 to give you more upside potential. So we'll continue to watch that name. Wasn't much going on today, so I don't want to really drag this out too much. There wasn't any name that was really leading. There wasn't any name that was really getting crushed either. Maybe Tesla down almost $4, but it's just churning sideways, which is on the daily and also lines up on the weekly time frame. That is just churning sideways. You've had this move up, nice bullish. This would be a piercing pattern, I believe. Which is the opposite of dark cloud cover, depending on where you are. And let's just look at how far they've moved. So they're up 5% in 5 weeks, $9 since the breakout. So not really that much movement going on with a lot of different names. And again, I do have resistance points on for Google. I have the 821 area that I would say that would be the target or resistance area. I do have Apple as well, running up into the resistance area as well. And again, if you want to get more information, more in-depth information, please email me at maximusanalysis@gmail.com so I can get you on the newsletter list. I go through names and such on a weekly basis as well, in addition to these daily commentary videos that I do. So again, really appreciate the support. Also, I got to 900 subscribers. So to a lot of people, again, I really appreciate the support. There's people that email me that have been watching my videos for years. And I really appreciate the support and sharing this information with you guys on a daily time frame. Obviously, this is what I love to do. Because if I was looking for YouTube hits, I'd have like a bodybuilding channel that would, take my shirt off and then boom, I'm sexy. But anyway, would do something that would be more technical, going over phones, going over hardware, going over office setups, going over politics. But this is what I love to do, and I really appreciate those that have watched and supported for such a long time. I just wanted to say thank you, and I really appreciate all of the people that are following, those that have been following for years and those that just started following. Really appreciate you guys watching these videos to get non-biased, commentary in regards to where the markets are going. So again, if you have any comments, questions, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will answer it. If you have any questions regarding anything on the newsletter, please let me know. If you have any questions regarding any material. If you're new to trading and there's something that you don't understand, let me know. Don't be the guy in the back of the classroom. Remember, there would be, if the teacher asks a question, no one puts up their hand, but then one person asks a question, then 7 other people are starting to add in their other things. Dude, I can keep it anonymous if you want. Or I could say, this was a question that was done by, my friend Frank or my friend Kyle or something like that. And let's get some educational material as well to get you up to speed with certain type of questions. I know there's different order types, options. Let me know what the questions you have, and I will develop some educational material as well based on the. And don't feel like it's too simple. Again, this is the reason why I created this channel, and why I'm creating other things in the background, so that I can help new traders, help experienced traders as well. Because again, there's people that have experience trading, but not a good experience. So again, thank you so much. Really appreciate it, and take care and see you tomorrow.